Hey, my mother family, how una dey? Hope so na dey okay. Oh. Na me be your sister, your babe, your mama, what they call Akan Shower Pro. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, I beg make you subscribe or turn on the bell icon when you subscribe so that when I drop a gboroge news like this, now you go be the first to pick them up. For this channel, we dey react to all videos, and for this channel, most of the time also we dey do our own video. So may you join this big family. Okay, now get one video for you when I want to say make you watch. I don't know how you dey feel about this video, but I want to make you watch am. May you drop your opinion for me in the comment section. All right, now the video be.
My people, I don't come again. This time around, my wonderful family, I don't know how go they go. I don't know how come they come again, because the matter when I bring up give una today. Now wetin dey call say mouth no fit open talk am, because me and you know say His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu launch this Eastern Security Network for purpose. Me and you know that one. In case say you don't know what they call Eastern Security Network, hey, na some gallant men when be say His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu put for ground for Biafra land, say make they monitor the affair when they happen for inside the bush. Because before now, mama, papa, brother, sister, they no fit dey go farm. Because if they go, Fulani herdsmen wey dey inside bush with AK-47 say that they take care of cow, go call they do the 1 2 1 3, rest in peace. Now they cry come outside, the ticket touch Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say no. You know go feel like people make they suffer. So now I call launch some gallant men. They call the men Eastern Security Network. Now they handle some of the things when it happen for Biafra land. Now then I make Fulani herdsmen run 440 back to where they for come. But as me and you they talk so, Fulani herdsmen don't come back to Biafra land. Yes, so they don't come back. In fact, this time around, they don't continue from where they stop. Because why? A lot of things don't happen, my people. Last week, yeah, 9 DOS, that is IPOB leadership, the head, they come out, talk, say some things when they happen for that Biafra land. Say they don't hijack the Eastern Security Network, or say some men dey ground where be say that they patrol themselves as Eastern Security Network men. I bet my realistic people, make una put it here down for this matter when I dey talk so, because I want to get una opinion for the comment section. Say like this, so say some people don't hijack the Eastern Security Network. Now they wear clothes, they display for Biafra land, they borrow money from people, they call people for phone say, Oga madam, give us money for feeding and the rest. It also talk and say to unless they go drive car, go filling station, go buy fuel, they not go pay. Now the US come outside, call they mention names of 15 people. Say these 15 people make Nigeria government go ambush them. In fact, make they do them anything what they want to do. In fact, they drop their complete name. Say make Nigeria government make it go after them. Those people, they be rebel. Say those people, they not be Eastern Security Network, but they be fake Eastern Security Network. My people, but my question be say, I never see where His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be hand to hand with Nigeria police to an extent say he could they give order, say make they go deal with them. Never. I never see anyone say His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do this kind of thing. Never. But nevertheless, nobody dey when they support fake Eastern Security Network, because if anything where they call fake Eastern Security Network they exist, make they dissolve them, make they enter house, make they enter corner. So as me and you they talk like this, now Simon Ekpa come out to Simon Ekpa say the matter na lie. He said those people when DOS call their names, say that they be Eastern Security Network members before. This one na wetin Simon Ekpa talk. Say they be Eastern Security Network members before. And wetin some men wey be Simon Ekpa friends, wey they say they be freedom fighter for this Biafra agitation or this Biafra movement, wetin they still talk na me dey yarn so. Say those people, so when DOS call their names, Shina Sanwo call their names, so say there be Eastern Security Network people before, because a lot of people don't confuse. Even me myself, when I dey talk, I still confuse. But when they call, they explain the thing, say those people, they be former Eastern Security Network members, like they be still Eastern Security Network members. Say, but those people, they not agree, say, may they bribe them or may they use them for waiting no rhyme. Say so now that vaccination, I made the call bring their names come out, call their names for public, say, may Nigeria government go after them. So the question when I want first ask una be say, this thing when it happen, when DOS mention the names of all these people, say make Nigeria government, make Nigeria police go after them. Una think say if he sends Celestine Mazina, they can come out from DSS junction, say go happy, say yes, DOS do well to give the information of these people to police, say make they deal with them, unless say they be really fake Eastern Security Network. If they not be fake, because me and you don't see some videos where be say they cash some Eastern Security Network members, that is the fake ones, where they use the name of Eastern Security Network, they do Joko, they cash them one certain time like that. Everybody see the video. But this time around now, una call sanction or una call gbado this level where be say the DOS do come out when they mention the name of all these people, say me they go after them. Una gbado the level, make una let me know. That one cost the pass. As me and you they talk, so heavy fight dey between Dr. Nelly, Simon Ekpa, DOS, and some other members of the IPOB. You still know say since this declaration, if you see the way that they slaughter people for Biafra land, they my people not be here. They slaughter people morning, afternoon, evening. In fact, Biafra people now, they don't even tire for IPOB. I not feel like you. People when they Biafra land go, they don't tire. Because they say, you know what they tell me when I talk with some of them, they say IPOB not serious. Yes. He say even them where they grant for Nigeria, say that they wave. But now, come be like say the Eastern Security Network, the IPOB leadership, they not they do anything again. The Eastern Security Network, they don't even dissolve them. Now I make these people call arose, they do the thing by themselves the way they go fit do am. E come be like say they don't tell them now, say make all the Eastern Security Network, make they go back to base. Make they go back to their house. Make they go back to where they first they stayed before. Make up some people for Biafra land they talk, say they don't even dissolve the Eastern Security Network, say they know they work again. Because my people, if you see what our people they pass through now for bush, for Fulani herdsmen hand, all of the dog park come back because Eastern Security Network, they know they work again. Now I make those people come arose, come out. Because they say they won't take over. They don't want just let things happen like that. But DOS don't shun them. Now the matter now be that. So what do you think about this matter? You feel say what did DOS do so e good because they feel say if they not shut down Eastern Security Network, Nigeria government not go fit release Mazina the Kanu. And if you notice, some of all these things when they happen for Biafra land, they not they talk them again. No, DOS not they come out because they tell the world say, see what they happen for Biafra land because they want just pipe low make Nigeria government will release the senseless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now make they do all this one, but Simon Ekpa they tell they say. No. He no go ever stop to expose. They say as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey under their care, e good say make they expose them morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Because you know why they talk like that. Even when court now say make they transfer Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comot for there, they no even agree. As me and you they talk, is there anything Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still dey with DSS, see they suffer till today? I dey tell you, torture and everything. see dey inside. So my wonderful family, na the story when I bring come give una be this, say make I come, make I deliberate this one with una, make I drop am for una, say see wetin don dey happen again o, see the way the dance don dey go again o, because a lot of people don give up o, but we still dey push am dey go. So my wonderful family, in case you no know who dey talk, na me dem dey call Akanshawa Pro. And if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg sister, brother, uncle, auntie, make you click on that button when it says subscribe, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, now you go be the first person when e go first watch your video. Thank you very much when you dey always dey support this channel. I really appreciate. I no go fit thank you enough, say na only God, Baba God, na go pay you back. See you when I see you. For now, bye.